All right, today we are going to be working on finding the area of a triangle. But really quickly before I do that, I just want to quickly review. All right, perimeter is when you're finding the distance around the outside of a polygon. So there's your perimeter on the outside edges, and to find the perimeter, you add all sides. The area is the number of square units covering the surface, kind of filling up the inside of a shape. To find the area of a rectangle, you do a side times a side. What we need to work on today is I can find the area of a triangle. Some of you might have noticed the triangle outside on the hallway squares, and it's a little more difficult to figure out. So there's a specific formula that we follow. The area of a triangle, that's what this A is half of the base times the height. So this B is the base, and this is the height. What do those mean? I'll show you. So here's a triangle. This down here is your base. The base of anything is always the bottom. And then your height is right here. So the area of this triangle is the base times the height divided by 2. So I'll figure out what the base times the height is first. It's 30. And then 30 divided by 2 is 15. So just to quickly go over that again, the formula to find the area of this triangle is I do the base multiplied by the height, which is 30, and then I just divide that answer by 2. I cut it in half, which is 15. Let's take a look at this one. This triangle looks different, but we still have the same information. The area of the triangle is going to be the base multiplied by the height, and then I divide that answer by 2. The base is 10. The height is 9. 10 times 9 is 90. And then I just need to make sure that I divide that answer by 2. So my answer is 45. So there's 2 steps to summarize. You do the base times the height, and then you just divide your final answer by 2. So the area of this triangle is 45. Why don't you pause the video now, and on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, don't you all go and try to grab markers at the same time. Okay, you can use a piece of paper, maybe even a sticky note. Pause the video and see if you can find the area of this triangle. All right, if you're starting the video, that's because you at least have attempted some work on this problem. So you might look down and see on a sticky note or a whiteboard that you attempted to find the area of this triangle. Let's see how you did. The area of the triangle is your base times your height divided by 2. My base is 5. My height is 16. 5 times 16 is 80. I divide by 2. 80 divided by 2 is 40. All right, try one more. Pause the video, see if you can solve this one. All right, if you're watching the video, that means you at least attempted to solve this. To find the area of a triangle, I do the base times the height, and then I divide my answer by 2. My base is 8. My height is 10. 8 times 10 is 80. Then my last step is to cut that in half. 80 divided by 2 is 40. Oh, that's funny. It's the same answer as the last one. All right, that's it. Good job. I hope you guys are having a good day with the sub, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day.